What if your business could slash energy costs while boosting sustainability? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best commercial solar panels that deliver serious power and savings. Welcome to the channel. Stick around to discover smart investments, and don't forget, you can grab the best deals through the links in the description below. On number 5 is Callsun N-Type 16BB. What if one smart panel could quietly boost your entire energy output by up to 30%? Let's talk about the Callsun N-Type 16BB, one of the smartest picks in the top 5 best commercial solar panels right now. First, performance. With N-type cells and 16 busbar designs, you're getting serious efficiency, up to 25%, tested where it actually matters in real-world conditions. But here's the twist: bifacial tech. It pulls energy from both sides, meaning more power, less wasted sunlight, and that's where businesses feel real savings. Now, the problem most buyers face: shading and heat loss. This panel tackles both with twin cell design and a low temperature coefficient of minus 0.3% per Kelvin, so output stays stable even in brutal heat. Compared with others, it simply wastes less energy. Downsides include slightly premium pricing and installation planning matters. Still, if you want long-term reliability, up to 30 years lifespan, and peace of mind, this is a smart investment. But is it right for your setup? At number 4 is eco-worthy N-Type 18BB. What if your solar panel could quietly generate extra power from sunlight you didn't even notice? Let's dive into the eco-worthy N-Type 18BB, a serious contender among the top 5 best commercial solar panels. First, efficiency. With N-type cells and 18 busbars, you're looking at around 25% conversion, built for consistent, real-world output. Now here's the edge: dual-sided generation. It captures reflected light and can boost energy by 15%. That's real daily gains. But most buyers worry about heat loss and durability, right? This panel answers with strong high-temperature resistance and a rugged build designed to last up to 30 years, bringing real peace of mind. Compared with others, it holds performance better in harsh conditions. Downsides include: you'll need proper placement for full bifacial benefits. Still, if you want reliable, long-term returns and stable output, this is a smart, low-risk choice. On number 3 is Renogy Flexible Solar Panel. What if the biggest limitation in solar wasn't power, but where you can actually install it? Let's talk about the Renogy Flexible Solar Panel, a unique player in the top 5 best commercial solar panels conversation. First, flexibility. This panel bends to fit curved surfaces, perfect for tricky rooftops where rigid panels fail, and that's a game changer. Next, weight. It is about 70% lighter, making installation faster, safer, and far less stressful. Now, the real problem buyers face: complex setups and heavy mounting. This solves it with a super thin profile, just 1/10 of an inch, giving you a clean, low-profile look. Compared with others, it sacrifices a bit of peak efficiency, but gains unmatched versatility. Pros are easy install, lightweight, adaptable. Cons are not ideal for maximum output systems. My take: if your space is unconventional, this is a smart, stress-free investment. At number 2 is ALLPOWERS SP037. What if one foldable panel could deliver serious power wherever your business needs it? Let's break down the ALLPOWERS SP037, a strong contender in the top 5 best commercial solar panels lineup. First, output. You're getting 400-watt peak power with up to 22% efficiency, solid performance even when sunlight is not perfect, and that matters more than you think. Now the real problem: mobility and setup. Most systems are bulky and fixed. This one folds, moves, and sets up fast, giving you flexibility with real control. The IP67 protection and durable coating add confidence in harsh conditions, rain, dust, heat covered. Compared with others, it trades a bit of rigid stability for portability. Pros are high power, portable, easy setup. Cons are slightly heavier to carry around. My take, if you want dependable, on-the-go energy with peace of mind, this is worth it. Now moving to the last one is Rvpozwer 200-watt 18BB. What if a compact panel could quietly generate around 1,000 watt-hours per day and still feel like a stress-free investment? Let's break down the Rvpozwer 200-watt 18BB, a smart pick in the top 5 best commercial solar panels space. First, performance. With N-type cells and 25% conversion efficiency, it delivers stable, reliable output in real conditions, and that consistency matters. Now, the common problem, buyers worry about weak durability and complicated installs. This panel solves both with a corrosion-resistant frame, pre-drilled mounting, and resistance up to 2,400 Pascal wind and 5,400 Pascal. Snow load, built for peace of mind. Compared with others, it balances efficiency and durability really well. Pros are strong output, long 30-year lifespan, easy setup. Cons are limited expansion for larger systems. My take, if you want dependable, no-hassle solar performance, this is a confident, smart buy, but is your setup ready to scale? The winner is Callsun N-Type 16BB because it delivers the best balance of power, efficiency, and long-term value. You're getting up to 25% efficiency plus bifacial technology that can boost total energy output significantly, meaning more savings over time. It also handles heat and shading better than most, keeping performance stable in real-world conditions. Yes, it costs a bit more upfront, but with a lifespan of up to 30 years, it's a smarter, future-proof investment for serious energy needs. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best commercial solar panels. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.